Imagine being 20 years old and realizing that money can work for you instead of the other way around. Most people in their early years think of income as something that only comes from hard work, long shifts, side jobs, or waiting for that next paycheck. But what if the truth is, the earlier you start learning how to invest, the more time you give your money to grow? It is not just about wealth. It is about freedom. The freedom to choose how you live your life instead of being trapped by bills, debts, and the fear of not having enough. Starting early gives you something that no one can buy later: time. And in the world of investing, time is the greatest advantage you could ever have. When you are young, the biggest gift you hold is not money itself, but the time your money can spend growing. Think of it like planting a tree. The earlier you plant it, the taller and stronger it becomes. A small seed today might not seem impressive, but give it 10 or 20 years and it turns into something powerful. Investing works in the same way. You do not need thousands of dollars to start. Even a small amount, consistently placed in the right direction, can create a future that feels secure and limitless. But why do so many people wait? Because investing sounds complicated, risky, and distant, something for older people with suits and spreadsheets. The truth is, it has never been easier. With access to online education, clear platforms, and countless resources, young people now have the chance to learn, plan, and act earlier than any generation before them. What stops most is not a lack of knowledge, but fear. The fear of losing money or making mistakes. Yet, mistakes made in youth are the cheapest lessons you will ever pay for. Losing a few dollars in your 20s while learning is far better than losing your life savings in your 40s because you never learned how. Starting to invest early is not just about multiplying wealth, it is about learning discipline, patience, and confidence. It teaches you to think long-term while the rest of the world moves fast. In a time where everyone wants instant results, investing reminds you that the greatest rewards come from waiting, from trusting the process. It is the art of delayed gratification, and those who master it early are often the ones who live most freely later. The beauty of starting young is that the pressure is lighter. You are not expected to be perfect or to make the right move every time. You can experiment, learn, and adjust. The earlier you begin, the more chances you have to refine your strategy, understand your own risk tolerance, and find what works best for you. It is like learning to drive on an empty road before entering the highway of life. Each small decision builds your confidence and sharpens your sense of responsibility toward your future self. Think of your future not as something far away, but as someone you will one day meet. That future version of you will either thank you for the choices you make today or wish you had started sooner. Every dollar you invest, every book you read about finance, and every small habit you form is like sending a gift to that future self. Imagine how it would feel knowing you made their life easier, safer, and more free. That feeling alone is worth every effort. What makes investing at a young age powerful is not just the growth of your money, but the growth of your mindset. You start to see opportunities instead of limits. You stop spending to impress others and start saving to empower yourself. You begin to understand that wealth is not about showing off. It is about having options. It is about choosing peace over pressure. Many people in their 30s or 40s often say, "I wish I started sooner." That single sentence carries regret, because they now understand how time shapes wealth. The good news is, if you are young right now, you still have that time. You have the chance to start small, stay consistent, and let time do the heavy lifting. And if you think you do not earn enough to invest, remember this. What matters is not how much you invest, but how often you do it. Even a few dollars a week is a step toward independence. Imagine two people. One starts investing a small amount each month at 20 and stops after 10 years. The other waits until 30 to start and continues for the rest of their life. By the time both reach retirement age, the first person often has more money because their money had time to grow. That is the power of starting early. It is not magic. It is mathematics, patience, and faith in your own decisions. When you begin early, you also build resilience. You learn how markets rise and fall, how fear and greed move people, and how emotions can shape decisions. You develop the calmness to stay steady when others panic, and that emotional strength is what truly separates good investors from the rest. Investing is not just about numbers, it is about character. The earlier you begin, the sooner you start building that inner strength that keeps your financial life steady even during storms. It all begins with one step. Open your mind, learn the basics, and start where you are. You do not need to be an expert or have a large amount of money. You only need curiosity and consistency. Those two things, combined with time, can change your life in ways you cannot yet imagine. The best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time is now, and the younger you are, the more powerful that decision becomes. As you continue your journey, something fascinating begins to happen. You start to see money differently. It stops being something you chase and becomes something you control. You realize that every dollar has a purpose. Some dollars are meant to be spent, some are meant to be saved, and others are meant to grow. The young investor understands that true wealth does not come from luck or inheritance, but from consistent, thoughtful choices repeated over time. Every small decision counts, and the earlier you start, the more your decisions multiply into freedom. One of the greatest lessons of investing young is learning how to stay calm when things change. Markets rise and fall, and sometimes fear takes over. Many people panic when they see their investment drop in value, but those who began early often understand that this is part of the process. They have seen that patience pays off. They know that the goal is not to win today, but to grow steadily through the years. By learning this early, you build emotional strength that will guide you not only in finance, but in every part of your life. Imagine your investments as a garden. Some plants grow fast, others take time. You water them, give them light, and protect them from storms. You do not dig them up every week to check if they are growing. You trust the process. That is what investing is. It is not gambling or guessing, it is nurturing. You give your money direction, and you let time do its quiet, powerful work. Young investors who understand this often find peace in knowing that growth takes time, but it never stops when you stay consistent. The world is full of distractions trying to pull young people away from thinking long term. There are endless advertisements telling you to spend now, enjoy now, and worry later. But when you start investing, you begin to see through those messages. You understand that real enjoyment comes not from buying things, but from building things, especially your own future. There is a deep sense of pride that comes from watching your balance grow, not because of luck, but because of discipline. It feels like proof that your efforts are working, quietly and steadily. Investing early also gives you the power of choice later in life. It means you might retire earlier, travel more, or spend more time doing what you love. It might mean not worrying about emergencies because you have built a safety net. It gives you control in a world where so many people live reacting to problems. And the best part is, you do not have to be rich to start. You become rich by starting. That is the secret most people never realize until it is too late. Another thing many young investors discover is how investing changes their mindset about work. When you begin building assets, you start to see that money earned can either disappear or multiply. You start to value your effort more because you know it has power beyond a single paycheck. You stop living only for weekends or promotions. You begin thinking about independence, not just income. That shift from working for money to making money work for you is the moment real freedom begins. The most inspiring stories often come from people who started small. Someone who invested a few dollars a week in their 20s stayed consistent and years later discovered they had built something life-changing. Their success was not built overnight. It was built in silence, through patience and routine. You might not notice the progress at first, but one day you will look back and realize that small actions created a huge difference. That is what investing young allows you to experience, the quiet magic of compounding. There is also something deeply empowering about taking responsibility for your financial future. Many people avoid thinking about money because it makes them anxious, but facing it early replaces fear with confidence. You begin to understand the language of money, the way interest, dividends, and growth work together. You realize it is not about being perfect, but about being consistent. The earlier you start, the more mistakes you can make and still come out ahead. That is a luxury that disappears with time. And perhaps the most powerful truth is this: starting to invest young is not just a financial decision, it is a mindset decision. It is about believing that your future is worth building, even if it means making small sacrifices today. It is about knowing that success is not built on one big moment, but on thousands of small, quiet choices. You might not feel rich when you begin, but you are planting the foundation for a life that will feel free, stable, and secure. So, wherever you are right now, whether you are a student, a new worker, or someone just learning about money, remember this: your youth is not a barrier. It is an advantage. Every day that passes is a chance for your money to grow. You do not need to be perfect. You do not need to know everything. You just need to start. Because one day, when your investments have grown and your life feels free from financial stress, you will look back and thank your younger self for having the courage to begin when others were still waiting.